As you open your updated StarFX Premier software suite, you will be introduced to some new features that you will be unfamiliar with. This video will outline the new features and provide a quick description of the primary function of each. If at any point you feel the description is not detailed enough, please contact LaserStar Technologies to see about class enrollment, as all updated features are now part of the curriculum. On the main StarFX screen, you will see the main ribbon has some new buttons. The first one to review will be the Auto Trace feature, located here. When pressed, a new menu will populate with two canvases. Within this module, operators can import a raster, adjust the tracing parameters, and with the click of a button create a wireframe vector. Once completed, the Save button will allow you to save as an SVG or DXF to be used in StarFX Premier and other third-party art software bundles, or export it to the LaserStar extensions that include FVI and LGF. Once saved, exit the module and the vector will be present in the StarFX main canvas. It will be ready for you to resize, position, attach a texture, and process. And just like that, you're all set. Resize it just as you see here and you're done. And now we are ready to move forward to the next phase. Some additional tools under the More tab will allow you to further modify your vectors. The first one to look at is the Bridge tool. When highlighted, it will allow you to enable or disable it with a checkbox and define the width of the bridge thickness. This tool will allow you to connect two separate vectors into one with a connecting bridge. Going back to the Bridge tool, you can enable Cut mode, which will cut a single object with the thickness of the same thickness utilized in the Bridge function. The Bridge tool can be toggled on or off by using the F3 keyboard shortcut. Below the Bridge tool, within the More drop-down menu is another new tool called Uncleave. This tool is used to close up open nodes. If you took the LaserStar Academy training course, you will remember how the fill algorithm works and how having an open node can spell disaster for your product. This tool will allow you to select a vector, have the tool scan the nodes, and intelligently decide for you whether a node should be open or closed on purpose and which other node to connect itself to. Further functions of the Uncleave tool is using the F4 key as a shortcut button. Simply select the vector of your choice, press the F4 button, and the uncleave process will automatically be applied. The other adjustable parameter is to check the Show Window checkbox. When this is used, a new menu will pop up and show the line segment that has a broken node in red. This will allow a curious user to pinpoint where the break could be and still use the Uncleave function within the menu. Locate the Vector FX button by selecting the Specials tab and pressing the Vector FX button. Once selected, a new menu will be populated where you can open a vector that may have some bad design configurations like 1. Open nodes. 2. Oversaturated node count. 3. Duplicates. 4. Intersecting paths. These issues are common in purchased vectors from an unknown source or from graphic artists that are rudimentary in skill set and rely heavily on a high-resolution auto trace. The laser relies on mapped-out paths to convert visual art into mechanical motion and has rules to follow. If your vectors are marking incorrectly, you can access the vector cleanup in the different fashions. 1. Directly on the ribbon like presented in this video. 2. Select the Vector FX checkbox when importing a new vector. Once selected, the operator can choose to enable the quick cleanup selections or go the advanced route and automatically bring the loaded vector into the Vector FX module. 3. Right-click the vector when in StarFX Premier and select the Vector FX option in the menu options list. That wraps up the tour of the added features for now. Remember, these features are in both StarFX Premier 1.0 and 2.0 suites, and if you need further direction with these new additions, please get in contact with your sales associate and schedule training.